New squat variation may be the best one that I've ever done from the standpoint of direct stress to the quadriceps. This is basically a pendulum squat, but without the machine. You've got handles that you're holding onto leaning back, and notice that the motion is forward and back as opposed to straight up and down. I'm using the Zane leg blaster, but you could perform this starting with just body weight and then go to a weighted vest, as long as you have a bar that you can attach two straps to hold on to. This is inspired by my good friend and colleague, Doug Brignoli. Notice the knees tracking forward, and I'm using a slant board to help stabilize the motion. Now here's a sissy squat variation of the same exercise. The feet are further back, and notice that the tibia is at a steeper, more pronounced angle at the bottom. Not necessarily which one is best, they both are effective. It's a matter of experimenting and finding which one agrees with you more. Again, there are many ways you can set this exact exercise up.